13.63.
13.6 k's up the river for a fish like that. That makes it all worth it. Oh! Yeah! It's just completely chewed up.
Oh, yep. Oh, you brought it still. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh my God.
Brought it past the log and man, they are on up here. All right, I hope it's light enough to see. It is just starting to get light. We just had about an hour's drive in the dark. Me and Jolie back at it again. Jungle perching. Gonna try and hit the top pools of this system today. Might be a bit of a big ask. Looking on Google Earth, it looks like it's a hell of a long way up, but we've got the food fully packed and we're ready to go. We had a day in the boat yesterday, rested the legs. So today we're gonna hit it hard, try and get to the top pool. Hopefully there's a big JP in here somewhere. Let's go. All right, well, we were following a trail in to save a bit of time walking, and it was good for a bit, and then it was crap. And now the trail is finished about 250 meters from the water. And we've got a jungle bash it to get through. Made it about 200 meters, got 50 meters to go, but a lot of way to wild vine. Stuff slowing us down. Thick country, but probably only 50 meters away now. Smash it down there and get fishing. We're how far up, Tasman? A couple of Ks already?
Oh yeah, roughly about
4K in already, which is pretty good. All right, last bit of jungle, and we are down at the river. Looks good. It's really good. So it was nice to walk on a trail in a bit, but back to rock walking again now. Back to rock walking. Whew. Looks good. All right, gone to top water already. Pool looks too good and too flat to not throw top water, which I've been getting them on. Fish on. Geez, you're in a shallow little pool with this one. On top water. Little tacker. Crazy how quick they see it and come and hit it. Fish one of the walk. Baby perch.
board. On the board.
There he goes. Straight on the top water. Oh, bigger one chasing him. Got the smaller one and there was a bigger one there. Fish number 2. I feel like today's going to be high fish numbers, but the size isn't going to be very good until we get up to the top. There we go. See you, mate. Oh, straight on, instantly on, as soon as it hit the water. Man, they are spiky little tackers. Another little fella. Oh, on again. 2 and 2. As soon as it hit the water again. Slightly better. Slightly better. He's alright. He is all right. Oh, he's done the old 2 hooks in the top jaw, 1 hook in the bottom jaw. Never coming out. Can't even open his mouth. Man, why'd you do that? Why you gotta do yourself like that, brother? There you go. Hooks are clear, mate. Hooks are clear. Looks like the commotion attracted them to the back corner anyway, and they're all hanging out at the back corner. Although it does look good over in there. Alright, we're a bit of a way in now, probably 4k or something. A few small fish on the board. Nothing massive, bit of good action. Stopping for a cold trout burger, and then we'll keep going. Pasman's on the top water. On the top water. Bang. Probably best fish of the day.
Ooh,
biggest fish so far.
Not bad, eh?
Not bad. Not bad. Little hunchbacks have been killing it, man. They get the bites.
Well, thanks for that.
Oh, the out of here. By the way, you got a leech on the back of your leg too.
Do I?
Yeah, other one. Show the camera. Nice little leech on the back of Joel's leg there.
Unreal.
Unreal. Basden is crushing them on top water. Small dog. Oh. Scared them. Oh, yep. Ooh. Blew it straight off the top. Not a bad fish, this one. Not a bad fish. There we go. Be probably still tiny, but biggest fish of the day so far. Okay. It's been a morning of small fish, that's for sure. Plenty of small fish just blowing up on this hunchback one after another. But we still haven't got it to the higher pools. It's still really flat. I think we're 9k's in now, so it could be a big walk, this one. Get this fish back and keep going. That's pretty cool. I've always wanted to find one of these. It's a giant tree fern. Massive. Pretty cool. Cool part about being in here, get to see stuff like that. Look at the size of it. Massive fronds on it. That's cool. Alright, we are over the 10k mark now. Creek has gotten really, really small. Not expecting too much, but hopefully the creek can just have 1 or 2 bigger pools in it. Well, it's nice and small like this, and just 1 or 2 bigger perch. But I've ended up a bit ahead of Joel here, so just gonna slow down, wait for him to catch up, have a can of bloody sugar, keep me going, and then we'll keep walking. Oh, all right, I missed the bite on this one, but getting up there now. Little bit better fish. Little bit better fish. Still on top water, out of there.
Here, buddy.
Yep, straight on. Fish. Still small fish. Still small fish. Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah. Got him. That's cool. That's cool. They're just cranking top water every pool now. Every pool. Still small fish, but starting to get some elevation, which is good. How cool is that? Catching perch, and then we got the giant tree ferns right there. So cool. More boys continue. Up here. So many perch still up here. Water is so skinny. The GoPro battery literally just went flat as this one ate it in this beautiful pool here. He's a little bit better, but still a small guy on top water. The river's tiny up here. I'll get him back.
Is that umbrella?
Oh, yeah, here's a good one. Yeah. Oh, he got off. That was sick. That was so sick. He come up out of there and went poof. That was cool. Blow up. Oh yeah, that was cool. So cool. So cool. I hope the GoPro, I hope the GoPro managed to get that, but that was so cool. Watching this guy come out, tried eating it the first go, went back under the log, brought it past the log and poof, he smashed that top water. Man, they are on up here. So many fish, so cool. So bloody cool. There we go in here. Thanks, mate. Chilling. He's just chilling down there. Oh yeah. There we go. Another one. Another perch. Another perch. Man, there's some fish up here. Wrong town amount of fish. Crazy amount. Alright, gotta be a good one in here. This looks sick. Oh, we must be just over the back a bit more. Over there. Ooh. Little guy right there. Where did he come from? A bigger one than that in this pool, surely. Surely there's one bigger than that. There we go, paddled it right out of there. Oh, come on. Give me something better than that. That was perfect. Must be a big one, isn't it? Oh, shit, he hit that hard. Man, he hit that hard. For a little guy. Oh, he's not too bad. He's not too bad. Man, they're going off. Fish a cast. Fish a cast in here. Thanks, mate. Guess there's two in there. Nope. Oh yeah. Yeah. Good fish. Crash landing for him. Whoa! Crazy amount at that size. That's like that. 30 centimeter size. There's just so many. So many. Just so many at that size. It's crazy. So cool. Look at this. Look at this country. Amazing. Oh, that's crazy. He doesn't even care that I'm here. Yeah, he does that he got hooked. Luke, that was. Got him. A small one. Yeah, he's a good fish. He's a good fish. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Finally, a better fish. Woo! Better one. Here's a better one. That's the top pool fish. There you go. He's more what you should expect up the top here. A bit thicker, deeper. Still not massive length, but a nice one. So cool. Yeah. Whoa, you see him coming. Real dark one. It's almost black, that one. Cool. Saw him coming from miles out being so dark. Wow, there's a dark one. Dark, angry one. Thanks, mate. Oh, that was wild. That was so crazy. Oh, bigger fish. He is a bigger fish. That was so wild. Crazy. Crazy, crazy watching him come and eat that. All over it the whole way. Crazy, crazy. There we go. Probably best one of the day. Hasn't been any real big fish today, but man, there's been a few. Just smashed that hunchback, chased it all the way to my feet, and then ate it when I just did the figure eight. So cool. It was a nice fish. Bloody stoked. That's cool. That's so cool. Get another one. 3, 2, 1. Yep, come on. Shit, shit, he's a good fish too. Shit. Shit. It's a real big fish. Shit. Shit, man. The size of this thing. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. This thing's a monster. Oh yeah, that's a big dog. Yes. 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 Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That is a tank. Yes. That thing is a big hogget. That, how many Ks, Pazzo?
Oh, check that out.
How many Ks?
13.63.
13.6 Ks up the river for a fish like that. That makes it all worth it. That is a really nice fish. We got the 14 Ks back down now. 30K day for this fish. That is a big day. That is a big perch. He would have to go 45, I reckon. Yeah, 46 centimeters. 46. 46. He's a big dog at 46. Woo! Alright. He was not getting off. There's the hunchback out. He is such a cool fish. That is bloody phenomenal. I'll let him go now in this crystal clear water. Thanks for coming, buddy. You are a legend. Woo. Get out of here. Get out of here. I think that may be a top call. Woo. This thing is so angry. Yep. It's another big dog. Woo! Woo! That's another good perch. That is another one. Oh, yep. Oh, he's right here still. Look, he's right here. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh my God. You are joking me. You are joking me. Oh my God, and it's not small either. It's a giant. Oh my God. You are kidding me. You are kidding me. That was crazy. He chased it into my feet and there he was. Hold that up. That is unreal. That is phenomenal. And it is a giant too. Oh my God. Have a look at that thing. 8 of my feet. That has got to be another 45, doesn't it? Woo! What an animal of a fish. Alright, I'm going to get him straight back without any photos because we've got to go to the next pool. Alright, I'm going to put him back in his pool. What a fish. That is crazy. Look at the thickness on it. Oh, yep, you got him. He's a giant too. Get him over. Oh.
had it for ages.
3, 2, 1. Yeah. Big dog. Big dog again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Absolutely demolished that. Unbelievable fishing. There he is. Another big dog. Absolute cracker. Just deep throated the hunchback on impact. Give it a measure. Another 40. Another 40. Alright, wow, that's it. What a phenomenal day. So many topwater perch. That was just crazy good. So good for the middle of winter. My bloody Balista hunchback 75 is just completely chewed up. That was brand new this morning. But have a look at where I am here. I'll swing the camera around. Have a look at this. That just goes straight down there, like that's angled down. And then you come around and I just got this massive boulder field. Can't get past. And it just goes right up there. There could possibly be perch up there, but judging by how good the fishing was in those few pools just down there, I don't think so. I think they're the top pools. But yeah, it was phenomenal to get up here. Yeah, so that's it. We're just cleaning the boots out here now at the base of this slide, and we're going to start walking out. It's 1:30. We're only left ourselves 4.5 hours to get out while it's light, and we've done 7 hours of walking, but that's all good. If we have to walk in the dark, we have to. Distance is now 15k, so it'll be a 30k day by the time we're out of here. It's a bloody big day, but that's all good. I love the perch fishing. Thanks for watching another video, guys. There was heaps of topwater action in that one. Hopefully there's heaps more topwater action to come. Big GTs, I don't know. Anyway, make sure you like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Tell you what, big day. We're now 24 kilometers of walking under the belt. We're about to leave the river, smash it through the rainforest to try and get back on this trail and get the trail out to the car. It's 5 o'clock, so we're going to be walking in the dark through the rainforest. Tell you what, feet are feeling it. I'll see if we make it out to the car, eh? I'll see you when we make it out there. Alright, halfway out on the trail and I just got done by a stinging tree. Not good at all. It's starting to weld up. Got me above the nipple there, and it got me on the arm a few times there. Already welding up and it hurts. I've heard these stinging trees are really bad, so we'll see what happens here. It got me through the shirt though, so hoping my shirt blocked most of it. Not good. Anyway, smashed out this last bit of the car, about 6 o'clock, last bit of light. Alright, made it back to the truck, just on dark, smashed it, big perch cess, done and dusted. Thanks for watching, guys.